Hi, my name is Sarah Hutchins, and this is my data analysis protocol, my DAP. My big focus is on this was to ensure it creates a safe and comfortable environment to discuss data, and that it is organized and it is on a good time schedule to avoid data exhaustion, as Education Elements discusses in their article, because eventually numbers just become numbers and all of it's blending together and you kind of lose it a little bit. So step one is ensure data is sorted on a shared document. If I am reviewing a chapter 11 math test, I want to ensure all the other teammates I work with gave the math test, graded it, and sorted it on whatever data document. I have one linked here that I like to use, and if I was a building coach, as I watched other PLCs and other data collection systems, I would link more to give people options. The important part is if a teacher comes unprepared, help them out. Grade the test with them, input the data, work together as a team to get it done as quickly as possible. If it becomes a regular thing, that's another discussion. But to discuss as a team, the data, there's a link of questions from the Brookhard article that I really enjoyed to make sure it stays positive. Make sure it's on what did you do right, not what you did wrong. Step 3, I allotted for about 5 minutes, is if a teacher is struggling with a specific student with a specific standard, use this time to discuss it. Either have another teacher show them their instructional strategy, or say, hey, I need time one-on-one with this student. They are not zoning in and they need individual support. How are you going to give that to your student? And I also put, if you're seeking help, you need additional assistance, like say you need a para to pull that student, email coach or admin with step 3 DAP. So they know you've gone through the process and you've determined exactly where you need assistance. Plan for success, big picture, this is timelines. What day are you giving the assessment? What day are you going to discuss data? If you don't set this on the calendar now, it's going to get lost and it's not going to get done because school and teachers are busy. Then we have for 10 more minutes is plan for success detailed. That means pulling resources from school provided curriculum, asking other teachers for resources, and most importantly, all the kids are your kids. It's not, oh, that's Mr. D's student, it's my student. We're all on a team. Let me help you. Step 6, execute. Do the plan you planned with your team. And then finally, collect data and repeat the whole process. It should go back to number 1. Did they successfully meet that standard? Did you successfully intervene on the attendance crisis? Just the questions. How might your teachers react to said protocol? I think if they aren't communicating and they're not collaborating well with their team, it would be really difficult. And so if you're an admin or a coach and you know that team has a hard time collaborating, do the first couple with them. Make sure that they are meshing well together. Or if they're a team that's been working together for years and they have a clear process for data analyzing down, well, go watch them, see what they do. Maybe it doesn't need a change and you can leave them alone because they're successful. Not everything has to be changed. How could your protocol be adapted? I think it was very vague. It wasn't specific to math or ELA or ESL or SPED or diversity or student population. It could be adapted very well. And again, if you're a building coach or admin and you see someone using some kind of Excel spreadsheet that you think is beneficial to more groups, put it in the link, update the DAP protocol and share it with teachers. Let me help you kind of thing. How might a graphic organizer help teachers with the process? I get off on tangents. I get just talking. I've recorded this already like 4 times. So having the timing I think is very helpful because it not only says, hey, you need to get it done in this timeline, but it says, here has how we are supporting you getting it done in the timeline. Follow this step, follow the time, mark stamps, and see if it works for you. If there's a step you're continually getting hung up on and needing more time, well then let's discuss as admin or coach or as a team what kind of process we need to instill to ensure that it's going quicker and smoother. Because again, the whole process is to eliminate data exhaustion and ensure it is able to be done on school time, not outside of duty day time. So thank you so much. I'm excited to use this in my classroom this year.